Hey, I'm Paul from Key West Hammock Company, and today I wanted to show you how I like to enjoy a beautiful day at the beach. I've got my hammock in the backpack. We're going over to the beach. We're going to enjoy a little time by the ocean. What I wanted to show you guys today is the Key West camping hammock chair. It's all made out of ripstop nylon. That's the same material they use to make parachutes. Okay, so the metal bar is made out of magnesium and it comes in 5 sections and it simply clips together.